How to make adult students feel good about taking standardized tests. Do you ever feel a wave of anxiety wash over the room the moment you mention an upcoming exam? Are you tired of seeing brilliant students freeze up because they view a standardized test as a threat rather than an opportunity? Standardized tests do not have to be sources of dread for adult learners. Use these 7 strategies to reframe the testing experience as a bold challenge where your students can truly shine. 1. Frame the test as a place where legends are made. Tell your students that this exam is their stage to prove how far they have come. Encourage them to view the testing room as a temporary arena where they earn their next big success. 2. Highlight the chance to show their learning. Position the test as a tool that documents their hard work and intellectual growth. Remind them that the score is simply a reflection of the skills they already possess and practice every day in class. 3. Ensure every student is prepared for success. Provide ample practice with the specific format and timing of the exam to remove the fear of the unknown. Confidence grows when students know exactly what to expect when they open that test booklet. 4. Tap into their competitive spirit. Challenge your students to beat their own previous scores or meet a personal milestone. This shift turns the test into a game or a personal mission rather than a cold, external requirement. 5. Focus on grit and determination. Applaud the persistence it takes to sit for a long exam after a full day of work or family care. Remind them that their presence at the testing center is a powerful testament to their character and resilience. 6. Make the obstacle the way. Teach students that the difficulty of the test is exactly what makes the achievement valuable. Transform the exam from a barrier into a stepping stone that proves they can overcome any academic hurdle. 7. Tackle the bull by the horns. Encourage students to face the test as a direct challenge and seize control of the clock and their emotions. This proactive mindset allows them to dominate the exam environment instead of letting the pressure dictate their performance. You can change the testing culture by framing exams as opportunities to show grit and celebrate learning. When you prepare them thoroughly and encourage them to tackle challenges head-on, students begin to view obstacles as the path to success. Ultimately, a focus on preparation, competitive spirit, and emotional control ensures that every adult learner enters the testing room with a champion's mindset.
Share this video in your network, and don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. Also, does your curriculum director, instructional specialist, or lead teacher know they can request samples and review CBL Math, Reading, or ESL textbooks by contacting us today? If these insights help you, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on effective practical strategies. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.